Hi, welcome back. I'm Katie from Izeal Stay, and today I'm taking you behind the scenes. We often talk about the beautiful accommodations that we provide, but you don't see what goes on behind the scenes. So today I want to highlight and shine a light on our incredible team that make everything spotless and ready for our guests, the cleaning crew. Good morning!
Good morning.
Good morning! Wow, this is our amazing cleaning crew, making our places spotless. You enjoy cleaning the accommodation, the homes?
Yeah, it's good. I mean, it's good con amor. Everything. Because amo este trabajo.
Aww.
Yeah.
And make sure our cooker is sparkling. Absolutely spotless. Right down to the finest details. We caught our team right at the end there, just as they were finishing off, but you can see how big a crew goes into making our places really spotless. So next time you stay in one of our homes, or any room for that matter, remember there's a dedicated team that makes these places spotless. It's all about the guest experience. Thank you to our teams for their incredible work on our houses.